front of me is REALME C25s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to choose passwords and biometrics over here, click on add face and enter your current login method. Following that, read the disclaimer, choose continue over here and follow all of those instructions. Remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can enable or disable all of those features by tapping on the switchers next to them, but you can also just click on them and select one of the available options. After that, choose home button, and now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my smartphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!